The market is exploding with green. Stocks and crypto are surging and the bears are nowhere to be found. Nasdaq futures are up, signaling renewed optimism and a rush of capital back into the market. Bitcoin has shattered records, blasting past $118,000, while Ethereum is surging after a 15% jump last week. This isn't just hype, both institutional and retail investors are piling in, and the excitement is real. All eyes are on tech giants like Tesla and Alphabet, whose upcoming earnings could set the tone for the entire market. Investors are betting big on AI and strong consumer demand, fueling this rally even further. Crypto-related stocks like Galaxy Digital are posting double-digit gains, showing that digital asset excitement is spilling into equities. From the Dow to the S&P 500, sentiment is overwhelmingly positive. This is a broad-based rally. Don't get caught watching from the sidelines. The game is on, and the biggest players are making their moves. If you're not paying attention now, you'll be left behind. The market's on fire. Are you in? What's driving this surge? One word: clarity. The Genius Act, just signed into law, finally gives crypto a clear regulatory framework in the US. Institutional investors now have the green light, and companies like Circle are soaring. This isn't just good for crypto, it signals America's commitment to leading in financial innovation. Tech stocks are also riding high, with optimism around AI and big earnings on the horizon. The administration's decision to allow Nvidia and AMD to resume some AI chip sales to China has sent chip stocks flying. Fears of a trade war are easing, and that's boosting confidence across the board. Businesses are ready to invest and grow, and that optimism is contagious. The result? A perfect storm of positive catalysts for both stocks and crypto. The fog is lifted and the market is charging ahead. This is the clarity investors have been waiting for. With markets roaring, what's your move? For traders, this volatility is a goldmine. Quick profits are possible, but discipline is key. For long-term investors, this could be the start of a major bull run, thanks to regulatory clarity and the AI revolution. Now's the time to think big picture. Where will tech and crypto be in 5 years? But don't ignore the risks. Inflation is ticking up and the Fed may keep rates higher for longer. Geopolitical tensions and tariff threats could shake things up fast. Stay diversified and don't get swept up in the euphoria. Watch for strong tech earnings and inflows into new Ether ETFs. These are bullish signals. The Genius Act's impact is just beginning to play out. The signs are mostly positive, but smart investors always have an exit plan. Build your foundation, but keep your eyes open. The market rewards the prepared. The market's moving fast and opinions are everywhere. Wall Street analysts are bullish, raising targets for tech and crypto, citing regulatory clarity and AI growth. But some, like Jamie Dimon, warn of risks, high valuations, tariffs, and global instability. Social media is buzzing with excitement. Retail investors are celebrating, sharing big wins and urging others to jump in. But seasoned traders are posting warnings about FOMO and leverage, reminding everyone of past crashes. The debate is fierce. Is this a new era or just another hype cycle? Social media reflects the market's mood, optimism, caution, and everything in between. The battle between bulls and bears is playing out in real time. Stay sharp and don't get lost in the noise. While Bitcoin grabs headlines, Ethereum is quietly setting up for a major move. Analysts see a bullish chart pattern that could send ETH toward $8,000 by 2026. The key is breaking through resistance around $4,000. If that happens, the sky's the limit. Fundamentals are strong. Fed rate cuts and new Ether ETFs could drive massive inflows. Some experts even see ETH hitting $10,000 or more as adoption grows. Consensus projects $15,800 by 2028, fueled by DeFi, NFTs, and real-world asset tokenization. Ethereum's utility is finally being recognized in its price. The long-term thesis is more compelling than ever. If you're watching for generational wealth, keep your eyes on ETH. The next chapter could be historic. We're at a crossroads. Markets are on fire, optimism is high, and the rally feels unstoppable. But risks remain. Inflation, geopolitics, and stretched valuations could trigger a sharp reversal. Is this a true bull run or a blow off top? The smartest minds are split, and the debate is fierce. You're the CEO of your money. Assess the evidence, weigh the risks, and decide for yourself. Are you betting on tech and crypto's future, or bracing for a pullback? Share your thoughts in the comments. This debate affects us all. Don't miss out on what happens next.